What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, Musa Mseleku married wife number 5. I don't know, maybe he was trying to prove a point to his wives, to the viewers, that he is a man enough, and by marrying these so many wives, it's going to make him man enough. It's like he was trying to look for something, but unfortunately, that's something he couldn't get it. And if you look at his relationship with Makwela, especially if you analyze the body language, nowadays is different than from the first days. It seems like Musa Mseleku is no longer sure of what he should do next, because the body language has gone down, that spark that was there initially when they were going out on dates, it has faded. So these are some of the problems, of marrying someone when you're trying to prove a point to people, trying to impress the people or something like that. There's no reason, to try and prove anything to anyone. And it's unfortunate that Musa Mseleku is learning about this the hard way. And with the way that I know Musa Mseleku, it's just a matter of time, before he starts confessing and be like, I got it all wrong. I thought that I was going to get something, but I just can't get it. Because as they always say, happiness is now, you have to enjoy now. If you don't enjoy now and think that when I finally get that 1 million, that 10 million, that 100 million, you'll be headed towards the wrong direction. You have to be happy now with what you have. And Musa Mseleku couldn't get happy with the 4 wives that he had. Imagine 4 wives. And you're still not happy with that, and you want to add the 5th one and hope that this 5th one is going to bring that spark, that magic. But unfortunately, it didn't work that way for Musa Mseleku, and it's very, very painful and very, very hard to watch on Utando Nestembo. No wonder McG was also even calling for Mseleku to take a break, and get his mind together. But this is Musa Mseleku. Maybe Makwela is going to speak with her and try to knock sense into his head and be like, time out. Okay.